merciful moon goddess! I beg you, please! Imbeciles! Those weapons must never be aimed at a child!
Why are you crying, Ma'am?
You look just like Kale. The moon goddess has finally answered my prayers. Bring me the bloodstone, now!
Sweetheart, can you do me a favor? Just put a drop of blood on this. Don't be scared, it'll be quick. If he truly is Kale's son, bloodstock will glow.
How is that possible? Wait, child!
My lady, the bloodstone didn't react. He's not Alpha's blood.
I know what I saw. I don't need you to repeat it. We're leaving.
Mom, look what I found for you!
Alpha needs an heir. I spent 20 years tending to this Mandibrak root in the heart of the Inferno volcano. Once Alpha takes it, his blood will boil with a hunger only I can satisfy. Then, I'll give him my body and my soul. He didn't mean it. I'm an alchemist. I can compensate you with items of equal value.
That plant took me the whole year to cultivate. You ruined the gift I prepared for Alpha, you filthy son of a bitch! Look what we have here. You're a stray. And Dark Moon Pact law forbids strays from entering without permission. Guards, arrest them!
Glenda! Lady Glenda!
The stone is glowing. That child really is Kale's. Moon goddess be praised! Alpha finally has an heir!
Our prayers have been answered.
Pass down the order. Mobilize every wolf pack. Do whatever it takes to find that child.
Yes!
Nobody leaves until the heir is found. Not even a fly!
Yes, sir!
I will do everything I can to compensate you. Please, just let me and my child go. He's innocent.
Let you go? Both of your pathetic lives combined aren't worth a single leaf of my herb.
As a noble, I command you to arrest them immediately. Execution!
Yes!
Mom!
You have been suppressing your rut forcefully for 6 years. If you don't find a mate tonight, you will fall into a frenzy and regress into a beast.
I have a way to control myself. Go and get the death row prisoners to the arena.
Yes, sir.
I'm scared.
Don't be afraid. We'll be okay, Leo.
No! I am not going! Alpha will kill me! Alpha must survive his rut safely. Dying at his hands is an honor, you piece of shit.
Stop right there! Where do you think you're taking me?
Alpha's orders. All death row inmates must duel him tonight.
No! Leo!
Wait. Why do I feel like something is wrong?
Well, have you found my great-grandson?
No. We have searched the entire Dark Moon territory, but there is no sign of the heir.
What? Where could he have gone in such a short time? I hope he is fine. Moon Goddess, wherever he is, please protect him.
Mom, don't leave me! Mom!
Alpha, there is only one prisoner left.
Alpha's rut is out of control. If this continues, he'll turn into a beast soon. Only a Luna can soothe Alpha's violent nature. Where is she?
Alpha, this prisoner managed to calm you down.
A rogue. I feel like I've seen those eyes before.
This must be a mistake. I am not worthy of standing before your wholeness. Last night it must be the herb pouch I carried that stopped your frenzy.
Very well. You will stay by my side from now on. You are responsible for calming my inner beast during my rut.
Remember, I only have one Luna. Do not dream of a position that doesn't belong to you.
I promise. But Alpha, I have one request.
Speak.
Please, Alpha, release my son Leo from the dungeon. He has done nothing wrong.
Take her back to her child.
Thank you, Alpha.
Kale, there's something you need to know. You have a son out there. A pure Alpha bloodline.
What? It's her. My Luna. We have a child. I'll keep this portrait, and I'll do everything to find them.
Alpha released you. You must thank him, Leo.
I will, Mom.
Alpha and the Grand Elder are discussing important matters. Please leave.
My apologies. I must see Alpha this time.
Miss, you don't have the permission to enter Alpha.
Wait. Stop. How did 2 Death Ring prisoners end up in the Sacred Palace?
Miss Ella, she is Alpha's newly appointed apothetrist.
Apothecary? This filthy rogue is a disgrace to Alpha's sacred glory.
Mom! Don't bully my mom! Stay away from us!
I'm so sorry. It's my fault for not controlling Leo. I apologize.
What the hell? Alpha once adored my hands for their beauty, and this filthy cub has the audacity to bite them! You damn rogue! I'll make you and your pathetic son regret ever being born! Take them away!
No!
This must be a mistake. I am not worthy of standing before your wholeness. Last night it must be the herb powder.
Where is Seraphina?
Miss Ella took her.
Who?
The daughter of the Blood Oath King. She's the queen candidate Glenda chose for you. She's famous for her temper.
Take me to them.
Miss Ella, please let Leo go. He was only trying to protect me.
Mom, don't beg her! I'm fine!
You're a tough little brat, aren't you? Fine. Drink the juice in front of you if you want to protect your mum.
What makes you think you have a say here, you bitch? Pin her down and beat her! No, wait! I'll drink it! So much.
This is the second time I felt something like this. Is it the bloodline connection?
Miss Ella's room is just right there.
What did you give him?
Primal blood. It's a wonderful treat that turns him into a mindless beast.
He's just a child. How could you do that to him?
What? Do you want justice? A groveling bitch like you obviously doesn't think she can strike back, right?
I'm a mother before I'm a servant. You can call me a rogue. You can bully me all you want, but no one touches my son. Not even you!
A rogue dares to challenge a mighty beta!
Alpha, please save Leo!
Download and watch more on NetShort.